students, chapter number 2, parts of a plant. Student, we have discussed in previous lecture the function of the roots. What are the function of the roots? Yes student, they absorb water from the soil, they hold the plant firmly in the soil, they hold the plant upright or straight. In some plant they store food and that are eaten by us. Students, today we will discuss the types of the roots. There are the two main types of the root, taproot and fibrous root. You can see this diagram. This is the diagram of the taproot. There are the two types of the roots. Plants have two types of the roots, tap and fibers. So you can see this is the taproot. In taproot, a main thick roots grows from the end of the stem and many small side roots grow from the main root. You can see, show you here. In main root, there is a main thick root. You can see there is a main thick root grows from the end. This is the stem. Suppose this is the plant. This is the main root. You can see there is a thick main root and grows from the end of the stem, and many small side roots grow from the main root. So you can see this diagram. There is a main root. You can see this is the main root, and many thin roots grow along from the main root. Plants like pea, blossom, mustard, carrot have the tap root, and radish also. You can see, suppose this is the radish and this is the main root. This is the main root, and the many side roots grow along with the main root. So what about the tap root? I am speaking again. In tap root, a main thick root grows from the end of the stem and many small side roots grow from the main root. You can take example of the what are the example of the taproot? Carrot, beans, blossom. You can take example of the pea also. There is another example. You can take example of the pea and radish also. They have taproot. Understand? Now student, we will discuss the fibrous root. In fibrous root, student, there is a bunch of small thin roots that grow from the base of the stem. There is a bunch of the small thin root. So you can see this diagram also. There is a diagram also. This is the fibrous root. This is the fibrous root. In fibrous root, student, a number of the thin roots, you can see this. A number of the thin roots grow from the end of the stem. This is the fibrous root, like this. I'll show here. There is a, in fibrous root, a number of the thin roots grows from the end of the stem. So this is the fibrous root. You can see this is the many fibrous root like a fibers, and you can take example of the plant that have fibrous root. What are these? Grass, paddy or rice, and wheat have the fibrous root. Understand? So what are the function of the root? They absorb water from the soil and mineral also. They fix the plant into the soil, and they are the two main roots, tap root and fibrous root. Understand? And you should learn the example of the tap root, and the diagram also you should be draw. Okay. Now student, there is the we have discussed also this fill in the blanks in previous videos also. I think you have understand about this. Now student, we will discuss the next topic is leaf. Now you can see this is a diagram of the leaf. This is the leaf. Okay, this is the structure of the leaf. And you know, leaf is a most important part of the shoot. Now observe a leaf very carefully, very closely. So you can see there is a leaf blade. You can see there is a leaf blade. See, there is a broad and flat surface of a leaf is called a leaf blade or lamina. This is the part. This is the leaf blade, or we can say that the lamina. And each leaf has a tube in the middle. You can see there is a middle tube. This is called main vein. Main vein. Understand? And the many side tubes arise from the main vein या veins. These are called side veins. And these veins carry water to the all parts of the leaf. Now, what about the stomata? The lower surface of the leaf has many pores. The underside of the leaf that has many pores are called stomata. And what are the function of the stomata? The plants breathe through stomata. And what is the color of this leaf? Yes student, green color. And you know, the leaves is a kitchen of the plant. The leaves are the kitchen of the plant. Yes, leaves are the kitchen of the plant because they prepare food for the plant. And the leaves are green in color because they contain a green pigment, chlorophyll. Okay, so green color substance in leaves is called chlorophyll, and it helps the leaf to make food using energy from the sunlight. It also called the kitchen of the plant also, and the food factory of the plant also. This leaf is called food factory of the plant and kitchen of the plant also. So you know, this green leaves make food for the plant with the help of the carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. No. Okay, now you tell me what is the work of the leaves. So first of all, you should read about what are the structure of the leaf. What is the main vein? What is the leaf stalk, side vein, leaf blade or lamina? And if we talk about the leaf stalk, now you can see there is a leaf stalk. This is the leaf stalk. The structure that connect stem to the leaf is called. This is the structure that connect the leaves to the stem. If you go, there is a stem also. So this is the stalk that connect the leaves to the stem. That is called leaf stalk. And so in this video we have discussed leaf plate, broad part, side veins, main veins and leaf stem. So I hope you understand. So you should read this structure of the leaf very carefully. Okay students, take care. Bye.